For today's Efficient CEO Tip of the Week, I'm going to show you how to fly through repetitive tasks like sharing links in your Instagram story, prompting ChatGPT, or answering frequently asked questions in your emails and direct messages using Apple's text replacement feature. From your phone or your computer, you can open up your Settings app in your phone, then go ahead and search for text replacement. Click on it. And then you're going to go ahead and hit that plus bottom at the bottom. Then you're going to type the phrase you want to replace. So for this one, I'm going to do a YouTube channel link. So I'm just going to / YouTube channel. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste the link that I want to replace it with. So let me grab it and then paste. And I'm going to go ahead and hit add. It's there. And then now, as you can see, I can go to my Notes app, or if I'm sharing this in messages or in stories, and then hit / YouTube channel. And then that link will come up. I can go ahead and enter and it'll replace it. That way I don't have to go tracking down any links. For more tips on how to streamline your efficiency and get more done so you can work less and live more, make sure you like this post and follow along.